Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform yourself into a Simpsons character in minutes with ChatGPT. So if you ever wonder what you look like as a Simpsons characters, you're gonna use ChatGPT to turn a photo of you into the cartoon version from Springfield. So it took minutes and I'll show you the whole process right now. So first, you need to choose a clear selfie or photo. You can start one with a clear photo, preferably one with good lighting and your face clearly visible. So this will help the AI nail the cartoon versions. After that, you can just head to the Chat GPT applications and write your prompt. So here I'm going to just write like this, simple. Please turn this image in Simpsons styles. And you can just upload your photo by clicking on this image icon in the bar left corner. Go to photo and choose your selfie or your clear photo. So here I'm going to just use, let's say, okay, I'm going to use these photos right here. Tap on add. And now you can just click on this arrow up to process the photo. And now your photo will be processing. You can just wait for the magics, and in seconds you'll have your Simpsons twin. So make sure that your internet connections are stable so you can have the result within seconds. If you want to go all in, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a full scene. For example, a Simpson character walking into or a family photo at the, you can choose the place if you want to. So here is the original photo and here is as the Simpsons character. And that's all for me. That's how you can transform yourself into a Simpsons characters using ChatGPT. So don't forget to like, comment with your character name and subscribe for more fun AI hacks. And I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye. Gitu ya.